Sir?
Abhijit, start the recording, okay? Is my voice audible?
Audible, sir. Quite audible.
Audible and clear.
Audible and clear, sir.
Okay.
And the recording has already started.
Of this session actually, okay? Because this session is also equally important.
Okay, sir.
Okay. ठीक है आगे चलो ठीक है. So thanks to all the dear participants for for participating in this 5 days electric recent trends in electric vehicle workshop. Okay, I would like to thank the Autel Academy, the AICT Autel Academy, for giving us the financial opportunity, means financial support to conduct this workshop. I would also like to thank the participants for being present in all this 5 days session. Okay, and I hope that all the participants have most of them must have completed the test session, right? So now I would like to request you to answer one by one that what is the how is the workshop actually to you? How did you feel? And what are the means points on which we need to improve on? Any of the participants, please start one by one, so as your valuable suggestions will be very much important for us. Please. About the feedback of the workshop, please share your personal views about the feedback of the workshop, so as this will be helpful for us to improvise in future. Actually, we are also planning to conduct another workshop in the month of December. Most probably that will also be related to the electric vehicle. So for that one, if there is any scopes of improvement, or how did you like the workshop, whether the whether the workshop was good or not, that things I want from you, from your side. Yes, Amit ji, please tell.
This was a very wonderful program, and I have attended many courses on electric vehicles. Although I am not directly connected with any college or faculty, I am working in military engineer services. Okay, yes. But I have got some interest in latest technologies, including EVs. So this was one of the very good program conducted by you in all the respects. I have one suggestion.
Yes, definitely.
Improve it further. We must invite some of the international agencies also to deliver some lecture on the latest what is happening in their area, like from Norway or from Australia, which are basically pioneer in this field. That's what my assessment is. Overall, you have invited many professors from other universities, and they have delivered lectures. These were quite good. But we need somebody to rope in from either International Energy Agency or maybe from Norway. Maybe from Norway, so that maybe one lecture that will be enough. I'll put it this way, and we can call one of the agency from the industry, like Tata, Mahindra, or Uber, who are basically working a lot of things towards the direction to really have an interface with industry from the faculty, so that we get a more practical experience. Otherwise, it was a very good program. I'm really happy to learn out of this. You have also designed test in a very simple way. Let me put it. It was not very technical, and like people like me who are not from faculty side could attend that. Could complete that within a short time of 30 minutes. Thank you so much, and I really congratulate the team of NIT. This is my second course from NIT, FDP course we did last year. That was Smart Grid. So thank you so much, and keep it up. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for nice and kind feedback, and hopefully in future your feedback will be very much helpful for us to improvise in our future workshops, sir. Anyone, please, your feedback is very important for us, and definitely in our future future workshop actually we are also planning to put a session from the industries like Tata, Mahindra. Okay, so we'll be inviting some of the industrial experts from different electric vehicle companies actually. And actually the problem was that we could have invited in this one also, but the problem was that the whole thing was being organized in 1 month time actually. We got a very small time to do it actually, but otherwise, but I feel I tried my best to do it up to your mark and to fulfill all of your satisfaction level. Anyone?
Dr.
Anyone
Shantanu,
more?
one more agency is there. You know,
Yes.
who is really running the things in India? That is WBSCB, West Bengal Electricity Board.
Okay.
Sorry, not SB Board, West Bengal State Transport.
Okay.
You know, they're already running buses in India. And similarly, Assam government is also running buses based upon this on OPEX
Yes,
model
yes,
as
yes.
well as CAPEX model. So those
Yes.
places can also be tied up. It will really enrich it further.
Yes, yes. Definitely, sir. Definitely. Definitely. Anyone more for the participant side? I feel Dr. Siddharth Sabasati is also he is also here attended nearly each and every session. So if you can share your views or Tebulina Bhomik, okay, anyone.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, is informative, sir. And my one question is, we should that in the future when you will arrange any such type of arrangement for
Yes.
this program related to electric vehicle and related to some industrial standards should be written in electric vehicle that is designing and definitely that. But when we come to the practical things, industrial, when we are building the electric vehicle, in the standards we should follow because once we cannot follow the standard, then we cannot make the vehicle on the road. So
Exactly. Exactly.
because only what the standards are there already it is available in the website because I am related to that I'm working in TCS company.
Yes.
I'm involved in the electric vehicle. Means,
Yes.
one of the European company. I'm involved in that. This onboard charger. I'm involved in that. So many standards they are following to make a product. That means suppose
Yes.
OBC standard is there, that is AC charging or DC charging. Suppose for battery system, battery management. How should the battery maintain?
Yes. 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 Actually, I feel Dr. Sabasati, I feel in our workshop some of the experts have already discussed about the different standards actually. See, there are different types of standards. The first one is your charging standard is there. Means numerous charging standards are present. Okay, it can be wired charging, it can be wireless charging, anything. Okay, I feel those things were being discussed by different experts, but still, yeah, even keeping your viewpoint in mind, okay, we'll try to improvise on it. And thank you
Sir.
for your participation. Thank you for your kind feedback, and thanks for everything, sir. Thanks for everything. Thank you.
Thank you. Sir. Thank you. Sir.
Thank you.
Uh, Good evening, Dr. Shantanu. This is Ratan. I'm from the United Missions University, Chennai, and it was well organized FDP in a very professional manner. It was very nice, and the plus point of the main plus what I got is I have listened to the authors in this one. I have never found. I have just seen their books, like Mohan and Akhtar Kalam. These people,
Okay.
these great people. No, I hardly heard it in my 12 years of career. I have hardly heard them once or twice, and it was very nice to interact with them. And it was very nice. Ned Mohan sir is one of the policymaker in American EV industry, power smart grid industry. He was the advisor of President of America also for some time on smart
Yes.
grid
Yes.
policies and all. So
Yes.
it was very nice, and I would like to always just maintain your standards, and it will be always been like if I see NIT Arunachal, I will surely attend a program hereafter.
Definitely,
very
sir.
much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
sir.
Thank you very much, Charanji. Any other participants or director sir will join with us very shortly. Any other participants?
Sir, good evening, sir. I am Dr. K. Umadevi, sir.
Good
Secretary
evening.
Engineering
Good
College,
evening.
Tiruchenkodu, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir,
Yes, madam.
respected director, sir, HOD, sir,
Hmm.
coordinator, sir, for this faculty development program. It's very useful for us, sir. This program is very fruitful, useful,
Thank you, madam.
and we know the new things, sir.
Hmm. Thank you. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much.
This help
And
to me retain, review, and request our electric area, sir.
yes, yes, definitely. So you can I feel that this program is not only about the knowledge exchange. This program will help us in building collaborative work. Actually, okay, na? So in future,
Yes, sir.
people will feel like collaborating with us. We are going to do it actually. I will be very much happy to help you all. Okay, as far as I can do, or you can in workshop, Akhtar Kalam sir was there, and then Edmond sir was there, Devasi Strategy sir from Padapur University, and in Durgapur, Tapos Kumar Saha sir. So I feel you can contact them. They all are very nice person, and they all will be very much happy to help you.
Yes, sir. Deepak Kulkarni here.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
it's
Deepakji, please.
very good session, sir. Actually, we are working in UV, and this is really great session, which are able to give some very good view of the what is the UV to all the participants, sir. It's really good, and contents also is good, very good, sir.
Thank you, Deepakji. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Chandrasekhar from Congo Engineering College, sir.
Yes, yes. Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. From the first session to last session, I found that the sequence of organization is very nice and matching of the time, voluntarily informing the change in time and following the participants. Everything is very nice, sir. I will get externally satisfaction because of this organization itself, and also the session handling faculties you chosen is also a very nice or awesome. You extraordinarily helped us to learn across the entire EV area, sir. Thank you a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Chandrasekhar, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hopefully, our staff will also join with us within few minutes. So, Paul
Good
sir,
evening, sir.
good evening.
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Yes, sir. It's a very wonderful session, and I have get to know many things. Many things got clear, and many new things I have get to know during this session. Thank you, sir, for organizing such a
Thank you, madam.
wonderful session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Actually, initially when I started the program, actually, I was a little bit afraid about the network availability. Okay, because in Arunachal Pradesh, often you will see that the network is not that much smooth, but by God grace and by the hard effort of our team members, we could take it out. Only except I feel one session was a little bit problematic because there was continuous network breakup. Okay, thank you. And please wait for some time. Please be with us for some time so as our director sir can join with us and can address the gathering. Director sir की आवाज़ तो नहीं आ रही है, मेरे दूसरे स्तर Okay. Let's come first and then after we will leave the meeting. Okay, fine. Just wait for some time. Just wait for 5 minutes. I mean, this director sir will join with us very shortly. Just wait for a few minutes. Sir actually is very busy. Sir was busy with the meeting actually. That's why.
Dr. Satarji, you can start.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So first of all, I would like to thank the AICTE Atal Academy for their financial support. I would also like to thank the director in IIT Arunachal Pradesh, Professor Pinakeshwar Mahanta, for allowing me to organize the workshop. I hope that in these 5 days of workshop, all the participants, including me, have learned a lot about the electric vehicle. I would also like to thank the participants for their participation. You all have been an amazing participant. Out of the 200 participants, more than 180 participants were from outside NIT Arunachal Pradesh, and this itself is a great achievement. I would also like to express my kind gratitude towards all the resource persons who, in spite of their hectic schedule, has taken all the pain to deliver the lecture session in this workshop. So now I would like to call upon Professor Pinakeshwar Mahanta sir, Director NIT Arunachal Pradesh, to deliver his speech about the workshop. Over to you, sir.
Namaskar. Dear participants, Dr. Satarji, this is the valedictory function where I am participating, but sorry, I was a little late because of some official engagement at the last moment. I also could not join in the inaugural function because I had some other official work at the time. Anyway, I'm very glad to see large number of participations in this particular short-term course. The Atal Academy of AICTE is helping us, and we have one MOU with them. So last year we conducted, I think, 4 courses, and this year also they have allocated us 4 number of courses, and all these short-term courses are very much successful. As we can see from the feedback of the participants, and large number of participants are from outside the NIT Arunachal Pradesh. That is a good sign that people are participating in this type of activities. Hardly 15 participants are from our NIT, and remaining 185 were from outside. So this is a really fantastic. As you can see, because of this pandemic, the mode of this short-term course have become online, and that is perhaps is the idea to get more and more gatherings into this type of short-term courses. And regarding these resource persons, I think you had the flavor of different resource persons like Professor Kothari, Professor Ned Mohan, Akhtar Alam, Professor Tapas Kumar Saha of NIT Durgapur, then Devashish Chatterjee. Apart from our own faculty members, Professor Deepa and Professor Chatterjee. I think the course was very much successful. You all give your feedback so that you can improvise. There's always scope for improvisation. If there is some areas are not covered, or some of the things are not known to you, or it is being not addressed, you can always give your feedback. We will take it positively, so that next time when Dr. Satarji will conduct it, I think he will take care of this type of situations. Regarding electric vehicle, this recent trends in electric vehicle is really monotonically increasing in research, because this is one of the best options for mitigating the environmental pollution. And second important thing is reducing the fossil fuel requirement. So fossil fuel now, I think today also petrol in Assam, nearby state of Arunachal Pradesh, has become 100 rupees per liter. Similarly, some other places also it has nearing to 100 rupees. So you can see this is a huge amount of money is actually spent for petrol and diesels. So in order to reduce these things, the electric vehicle can play a major role. That is the need of the hour. That is why more and more resources are needed towards the development of electrical vehicle. There are few problems associated with electrical vehicle. The most important point is the battery part. The longevity of the battery of electrical vehicle has been found to be very less. Durability is very less. That is why the maintenance cost becomes high. So one of the major or thrust area of development towards electric vehicle is development of electric battery, efficient battery. So that may be a good research. That part had to be addressed, or it can be tried by some of you. Second important issue is regarding charging of this electric vehicle. Whenever suppose you have an electric vehicle, there should be charging station. If charging station is not available or inadequate, you will always suffer. An electric vehicle now designed by Reva or others is a maximum kilometer the vehicle can go is 300 kilometers. It cannot go beyond that. So before the 300 kilometer, you must have a charging station. So it may be a model that in cities, this vehicle may be better, but in cities, there should be multiple number of charging stations. When you go to foreign country, you will notice that in every parking, there is charging station. You have to put your token or your credit card, and then accordingly, you can fix up your charger there, keep the vehicle there. So in 8 hours, it will be getting charged. So that kind of provisions has been now developed in very developed countries like UK, Japan, etc. Even Germany also, even in US also. But in India, hardly 1 or 2 places they are in experimental stage. So charging station, its network connectivity, those things are also second way of research. Maybe some sort of algorithms like genetic algorithm or ANN models, etc. may be required for designing of the charging station. So these are two basic problems with electric vehicle. Otherwise, the other maintenance part of electric vehicle is very less. So I think these things were addressed by all the resource persons, and this will be helping you to promote your research in this area. With this, I'll like to thank you all for participating, and I hope you'll be participating in other short-term courses of AICTE also, so that you can academically you can improvise and teach your students. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for such a nice speech from your side, sir, and keeping your points in mind. Hopefully, we can improvise on this aspect, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Now it's over to the participants. If they are having any suggestion, easily they can pick it out right now. Okay, and depending means based on your suggestion, we will try to improvise on.
Good evening, sir. Chandrasekhar, sir. Sir, one more request to you is that kindly add one industrial persons in this type of seminar, sir, who are making the electric vehicle. If you add at least one industrial expert, then it will be fulfilled in all aspects. This is my suggestion, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
rightly pointed out. This is a valid point. I think Dr. Satarji can make a note of it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Industry academia interaction is very much essential.
Yes.
So you can next time you can call some industry people.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Anyone?
I'm Amit Kumar Mittal, again from Military Engineer Services. First of all, thanks a lot to rather I'll congratulate Dr. Mehta for leading an organization in such a way that you have been conducting so many FDPs successfully. And I understand because I was in Assam before posting to this Bangalore, and I was very near to Arunachal. In fact, I installed one of the solar plant in Rayang, which is at the border of Assam and Arunachal. And I have been interacting with NIT in a long way. It is very difficult to, conduct something from Arunachal. Connectivity is very poor and people don't know much about that area, what kind of problems people are facing there. So really kudos. I'll say congratulations to Dr. Mehta and Dr. Shantanu for the same. And this was a wonderful course, no doubt about it. And actually, you don't need anybody's, endorsement on that. It's so good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Very
you.
much, sir.
I think your experience will be helping NIT Arunachal Pradesh. You are most welcome.
Yes.
Actually, sir,
sometimes you-
I'm very much. Actually, sir, I'm very much attached with the Northeast because I stayed there for 3.5 years, and some of the area which I was basically working in, it was in Arunachal, like Rayang, Elo, and I have attended on the other side also. I've attended all the festivals of Arunachal, Zero Festival, Wang Festival, then Orange Festival at Dambuk. I don't think I've left any festival of that. So I really enjoyed Northeast. So I'm really connected with Northeast and particularly in Arunachal. Thank you so much.
You are most welcome to join us. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, you are audible. Good afternoon. This is Dr. Sol from University Pune. I am from. My background is mechanical engineering. I have also and I really appreciate by you and kind of for that, sir. My point is for mechanical engineers, write certain module hardcore electronics. If some material can be provided before the course to the faculty members, it will be helpful to us to understand. So I will leave that because it's very difficult to say how much to be provided. But if some basics can be given from the little subjects, the participants, it will help us to understand it better. Otherwise, it's wonderful sessions. And enjoyed thoroughly. Thanks a lot, sir.
Definitely. I think Dr. Satraji can help you regarding this matter. You can circulate, Dr.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thank
Satraji,
you very much.
whatever documents are there with you. You can circulate it. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much, sir.
Other participants, please share your views so that we can improvise on our workshop.
Hello, sir. This is Ratan Kumar. I'm from Vinayaga Missions University, Chennai, and it was very well organized and very nicely executed session. And this is the first I have attended around 5 Atal FTPs. This is the first Atal FTP where I am seeing the sessions on YouTube. It will be useful for us in future also. Generally, it is conducted online and it is left as a report. Or if we ask for recordings, they will give. But this is the first one where we got the sessions uploaded in YouTube, and it was really useful. Sometimes we may due to connectivity issues and other, we may miss some points during this. So we can refer it and it will be very useful. Specifically today's Deepa Madam session was very interesting. She took it was similar to chalk and board methodology, and it was nice. And all the authors who have attended their sessions, including Professor, the coordinator, it was very good and up to the standards of NIT. It was very nice. Thank you. And I hope to visit your campus for any other program physically. I think better because that Arunachal is my birthplace, but I have not visited since I left when I was 2. So I would like to visit your campus and We'll have a more. It's an electrical department. You have conducted very nicely, sir. Starting from the basics to everything, it's very nice. Great work, sir.
Thank you. You are most welcome to visit NIT Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes, sir. Always.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, good evening, sir. I am Uma Devi, sir, Trichankodu Sengundar Engineering College, sir. Sincere gratitude submitted to Director, sir, HOD, sir, Coordinator, sir. This program very useful and fruitful, sir. Actually, my research area is BLDC motor, sir. That BLDC motor where is utilized in electric vehicle, I learned very well, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So I hope this workshop was quite useful to you all. So with this way, I want to close this ceremony now. So, so thank you for your all kind participations. And I would also like to thank our director, sir, for being with us in spite of such a short notice, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks to all. Thanks to all. Thanks to all. Yes. 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 Please tell.
Last point from our side regarding the certificates. Are we sending it to us through mail? What is the time gaps? Expected time.
Actually, I couldn't hear you. Actually, sir.
What I am saying is somebody is on, sir. Somebody's two is on. Hello.
Let me connect the microphone fast and I will just getting to you, sir. Thank you.
Hello, can you hear me, sir? So can you hear me? What I would hear is. Hello. So can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. I think Sarah.
Sir, I'm asking. Hello. So can you hear me? Sir, your mic is muted, sir.
Sorry. Yes, please tell.
So what asking is that regarding the certificates of attendance and this LTP. When you
Attendance, right?
And the qualification.
Qualification of whom?
This FDP for this LDP attendance and LDP qualified certificate.
For this attending this FDP, you need to be PhD either you need to be PhD scholar or you need to be faculty member of different engineering colleges.
So that is there in our we are like doctor in the name at the college also given. So I can question on the WhatsApp group, what's the method of that? We'll know about it.
Okay, Tripathi, actually your sound is echoing a lot. That's why I couldn't hear you properly. So can you please post your
WhatsApp, sir.
in the chat box?
WhatsApp group.
Yes. Do that, na? Do that once. Okay. So thank you all. Thank you for your kind participation.
Thank you,
So
Shantanu
this
sir.
is closing of the overall this 5 days workshop, and this 5 days workshop has been very much very much useful for me as well. Yeah, I also learned a lot from you or from the resource person also. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Shantanu sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr. Shantanu sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Shantanu sir.